So now let's see how we can go around and copy and paste out effects. So over here on the first clip right here, let me just go around under effects right here and then add in some effects. Like let's say for example, I'm going to go around and add in some vignetting right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and add in another effect over here just like this, as let's say for example distort over here. So there's a bit of distort. So you can see that I got two effects right here. But on this particular video clip, there are no effects. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and copy out the effects from this particular clip and then paste it out over here on the other clip that I have right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around under edit right here, just like this. And then what I'm going to go around and do is I'm going to copy the clip right here. Simply copy this out. Then if I were to go around onto the other clip, I can go around onto edit and paste the effects and adjustment, as you can see right here. If I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it pastes out the effects right here. That is, vignetting is over here on this clip as well now, and blend is over here as well. And that is how you can go around and copy and paste out effects and adjustments only from one clip to another clip inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.